Shri Sai Satcharitra in Marathi by late Govind Raghunath Dabholkar. Translation in English by late Zareen. Adhyay 19, OV 188. ये विषयीची गोड कथा सादर श्रवण कीजे श्रोता प्रत्यया येईल साईंची सदयता तैसीच व्यापकता तयांची. Listeners, now listen to an interesting story in connection with this with respect. The story will show Sai's compassionate nature as well as his all-pervasiveness. एकदा एक भक्त श्रेष्ठ कोणाची कोणी बोलता गोष्ट स्वयं होनी कुतर्काकृष्ट निंदा संनिष्ठ जाहले. Once a great devotee, while somebody was talking of another person, was prejudiced and got deeply involved in criticizing. गुण राहिले एकीकडा निंदा प्रवाहे मुखी दुथडा गोष्टीचा होवो निया चुथडा आला की उभडा पैशून्या. The virtues were overlooked and only the criticism was recounted on all sides. The actual story was lost sight of, and this became a reviling session. असल्या काहीतरी कारण असल्या कोणाचे गर्ह्य आचरण करावे सन्मुख तयाचे प्रबोधन कीव जाणून तयाची. If at all there is a reason for disagreement, or if someone behaves abominably, then one should frankly and sweetly try to correct him and should pity him. निंदा कधीही करू नये हे तो प्रत्येक जाणे स्वये परीन वृत्ती जै दाबिली जाये ती ना समाये पोटात. Never belittle anybody. This is known to everyone, but such a nature cannot be suppressed. It cannot remain under control. तेथुनी मग येई कंठी कंठातुनी जिव्हेचे तटी तेथुनी हळूहळू ओठी सुख संतुष्टी प्रवाहे. From within it rises gradually till it is blurted out of the mouth. When the lips open, happiness and contentment are pushed out. नाही तुझ्या निंदका परी त्रिभुवनातही कोणी उपकारी निंदा जयाची तयाचे करी परोपरी कल्याण. There is none else better than a critic in the three worlds. He can help a person. Criticism does good to a person, and a critic thus obliges a person. मळ काढिती कोणी रेठ्याने कोणी साबणादिकी साधने कोणी शुद्ध निर्मल जीवने निंदक जिव्हेने काढिती. Some people remove dirt with the help of the soap nut. Some use products like soap. Some do it with clean and pure water. But a critic does so with his tongue. स्वीय मानसिक अधोगती परोपकारार्थ जे साहती अवर्णनीयती महदुपकृती निंदक निश्चिती अतिवंद्य. In a way, they bear the deterioration of their own character for the sake of others to do good to them. Therefore, their deeds are, really speaking, indescribably benedictory. Surely, a critic should be highly respected. पावलो पावली सावध करीती निंदा मिशे दोष कळविती भावी पराचे अनर्थ टाळविती उपकार हे किती वानो मी. At every step, he points out the hazards. He lets a person know his shortcomings under the pretext of criticizing, thus helping him to avoid future calamities and obliging everyone. How much more could I praise him? बहुता परी साधु संती वर्णिली से जयाची महती तया निंदक वृंदाप्रती करितो मी प्रणति साष्टांग. Many people have praised them. Even saints and sages have talked about their greatness. I bow down to that band of critics.